Hi dear students, welcome to your online computer class. Today we are going to start our next chapter, Word Editing Text. What is Word? What is the use of Word if you want to create some document or text, or if you want to enter some letter, or if you want to create a letter. So for all that we are using a word editing text application or a word processor. Okay, the most commonly or most popular word processor is Microsoft 2000 Word 2016. Popular word processor is Microsoft Word 2016. It allows to create document that contain both text and image. It will contain, or you can create a document that if you want to create some images or text, all you can include in that word processor. We can see the steps to start Word 2016. Okay, what is the first step? Click start button. This is the start button. You click the start button, then what will happen? A list of menus will appear. Okay, then what is the second step? Click Word. You click Word 2016. Okay, then what will happen? You can see a list of options will appear, and click a blank document. You can click the blank document. Okay, then the main window will open. This is the way to start the Word 2016. Then we can see how to create a new document. Okay, to click the new to create a new document, first go to File and click File tab. From the File tab, click New option. Then you can see so many templates will appear. From the template, click blank document. Okay, from the blank you click the blank document, then you can see the blank page will open. Okay, then next is enter text in document. If you want to enter a text in a document, what you want to see is when a blank document is open, the cursor blinks in the work area. You can see a small line is blinking in your blank document. That means you can start typing. It will be in the correct position that you can start typing. Okay, this is the small cursor. You can see this is the small cursor, and you can start typing. Okay, then next. Okay, to save a document, click File tab. Okay, this is the File tab. You click the File tab, then click Save option. From that option, you click Save. Okay, then third step is click Browse. Okay, then you click the Browse. You can see a dialog box will open. In the dialog box, you go to the text box, text field, file name. There you can type the name of the file, and the last step is click Save option. Okay, this is the way you can save a file. Next step is open an existing file. To open an existing file, click File tab. Second step is click Browse. Third step is click the document you want to open, and last step is click Open. Okay, then you can see the document will be open. First go to File tab. Okay, go to go to File tab. From there you select Browse, then go to the file, which file you want to open, select that file and click Open. Okay, then next one is closing a document. If you want to close a document, go to File tab and click Close. Then you can close that document. If you want to exit the Word or word processor, if you want to close the word processor, click the close button on the title bar. Okay, in the top of the title bar, you can see in the right top corner, you can see a close button. You just click that close button, then you can exit from that window or Word. Okay, then next one is editing a document. If you want to edit or change something in the document, you can make the changes. That is called editing. Editing means editing includes adding text, deleting, copying, moving, or checking spelling, grammatical mistakes. All you can change. Okay, you can edit it. So first one is inserting text. If you want to insert some text in between the sentence, in the existing sentence, so first one is place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the word. If you want to insert a word in which position, so place the cursor in the correct place and type the text. You can insert the text in the you can insert the text in between that sentence. Okay, then next one is selecting text. If you want to select text, you can use two things, mouse and keyboard. First we can see how we can select using mouse. So first, if you want to select one word, you just double click the word. Or if you want to select a block of text, okay, so what you want to do is click and drag over the required text. Then if you want to select only one sentence, press control key. In the keyboard you can see control key. You press the control key and click the word in that sentence. Then if you want to select one paragraph, triple click anywhere inside that paragraph. Okay, you can just triple click inside the paragraph, then the whole paragraph will be get selected. Then next one is selecting through selection bar. If you want to select using selection bar, in your word there is a selection bar. Selection bar is a space. What is selection bar? Selection bar is a space between the left edge of the page and the left text margin. Okay, here this is the selection bar. Okay, so this is selection bar. This is the space between the left edge of the page and the left text margin. Okay, when you move the mouse pointer in the selection bar, it changes to the arrow pointing towards right. You can select the word or a paragraph using selection bar. Okay, here you can see some selections using selection bar. If you want to select a line of text using selection bar, click the selection bar to the left of the line. If you can just click the left side of that selection bar, then that line gets selected. Okay, if you want to select a paragraph, double click the selection bar to the left of the paragraph. If you want to select a multiple lines, click and drag the selection bar. If you want to select the entire document, triple click the selection bar. Okay, then if you want to select using keyboard, what are the steps? You can see this table in your textbook. So if you want to select using keyboard, first one is one character to left of the cursor. So you want to press shift key and left arrow. Okay, then to the right means you click shift plus right arrow to up line or one line up. That means shift plus up arrow. Down, you want to select the down line, shift plus down arrow. If you want to select till the end of the line, so you click shift plus N key. Okay, you want to select from the beginning of the current line, which means shift plus home. Okay, then if you want to select the document, the end of the document means shift plus control plus end. Or if you want to select the document from the beginning, which means shift control home. Okay, then if you want to select the entire document, the full document, which means control plus A. Okay, this is some shortcuts to select using one line, one letter, one sentence, full document, all these. The next one is deleting text. If you want to delete or remove a character or a word, what are the steps? To delete a character, place the cursor to the left of the character if you want to delete and press the delete key. Okay, then if you are using backspace key, then place the cursor at the right of the character and press backspace key. Okay, if you want to delete a word, then what you want to do is place the cursor on the left side and press Ctrl plus D, delete. Okay, or if you are using backspace key, place the cursor in the right side and press Ctrl plus backspace. Okay, if you want to delete a block of text, so select your text. Which text you want to delete. First you select it and press delete plus delete key or backspace key. Okay, so dear students, rest we can see in the next class. Bye. So don't forget to read your textbook. Bye. See you in the next class.